What's up, my Steville? Today we are talking about episode 4 of God of High School. So, finally watched the episode, had a lot of trouble getting to it, but I gotta say, I liked this episode too. I really did. Yo, that ending to this episode, I was like, ugh, yeah. But yeah, anyway, we jumping into this episode, and this episode takes a hard, strong focus on Yumira, Sword Lady. Yeah, so we get to find out a little bit more about her, a little bit more about why she entered the God of High School tournament. Because the God of High School tournament, we know by now at this point that it's if you win, you get one wish granted. So you get hints of why Handai Wee is in there. You kind of get hints of why Jin Mori is in there, but this one really takes a strong look at Yumira's motivation for the whole God of High School tournament, which I thought was really cool. So she meets with this mysterious dude who's, it was a little bit weird. I don't know if this is is it a Western society? I don't know. Like I'm just saying, for me personally, I'm like, grown dude should not be hollering at 17-year-old. That's all I'm saying. Grown dude should not be hollering at 17-year-old chicks. Like if you grown, wait till she 19. Like yeah. If you 25, wait till she 19. Wait till she 20. Yeah, like, I mean, come on, man, like, I get, but 17, I still think is, and I think of this both ways. I do not think that if you're a 25-year-old woman that you need to be hollering at 17-year-old boys. I think this across the board, maybe there's people who disagree with me. I'd be hard-pressed to find them, but I don't know. Cultures are different. Personally speaking, if you grown, go with the grown folks. Like, I'm sorry you missed out on 17-year-old girls when you were 17, but my man, is what it is. That was a hell of a tangent. Anyway, yeah, so there's a situation that crops up like that with Yumira, and Jin and Handai, we both are just like, hold up a second. What the hell? Huh? Are we, huh? So yeah, they can sense that something is wrong, and they go to kind of like intervene. Yumira is really persistent in this path that she's following because she feels like it's going to be the quickest thing to lead to her wish. So she didn't even necessarily want to win the God of High School tournament at this point in the episode. So yeah, you get to see exactly why that is and whatever. But they say like, yo, you really, like, you work so hard and you really want to do this now? I mean, come on, you've gotten this far. I'm pretty sure you don't need that thing that you think you need. Like, I'm pretty sure you'll be fine. Like, you'll be alright. Like, you don't need to do any of this. Like, seriously. And man, I gotta tell you, there is a one punch man or one punch woman, I guess, yeah, one punch woman moment in this episode that was just like, or one bitch slap. It was one of the greatest anime slaps I've ever seen. The camera panned in on her hand, and she just said, "Let my pimp hand be strong." And she just watata this dude. And I was like, alright, yo, okay. Damn. And the funny thing is, the dude that she does it to, you'll see it in the episode, but I just gotta say, the dude that she does it to, he does this whole, it's like the equivalent of how they'd be doing Asians wrong in Hollywood, like Asians in Hollywood. I feel bad for y'all sometimes because y'all have movies like a good example would be what's this, Indiana Jones, where that dude is doing all of them moves and then Indiana Jones just pulls out the gun. It's something like that kind of happens in this episode. But I laughed. I was like, yo. If that happened to me as a villain, I'd quit. I get a day job. Taking over the world is not for me. So yeah, really love this episode. Really enjoyed this episode, and I'm really liking the God of High School so far. And I've been reading the manhwa. Or the manga, or whatever you want to call it. And y'all don't even know, boy. I'm just wondering how they're gonna do some of this stuff, cause y'all don't even know, boy. Y'all know, like, yo, what was about to transpire, or how we take it from a 10 to an 11. What the hell's about to happen? I'm just like, okay, Doki Artichoke people then, Fokies, like, yeah, I'm like, wow. But anyway, what did you guys think of the episode? Let me know. Did you watch it? Let me know in the comment section down below. Please, no spoilers. Again, if spoilers are wanted, if we want spoiler episodes, I can do them. I can go back to episode 1 and do spoilers for those episodes. I can do that for you guys if you want it. But right now, in this comment section down below, this spoiler-free video, I don't want any spoilers. Let people, talk to let people watch the episode and experience it for themselves. And if you want spoilers, then let me know and I will do that for you. If you want it, I got it. Is all I'm saying. Look at you. You have made it to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching the entire way. If you really like this video, I got another one up here. I got a playlist down there, and you can click on my icon to subscribe. Remember to ring the bell if you do subscribe, and I'll see you all in another video, because Meisterman has got to be out. Peace.